Hi, it's Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. We have Luke here. He was he's another ex-Marine, so he was in the military. About 2009, he had an injury, an accident. So he's going to kind of explain a little bit about what happened to him during his time.
So I was in Iraq, and I was in an MRAP, and the 4-point harness on my seat came loose, and I got thrown around on the inside, and my chest hit the ceiling, and I came back down, and the small of my back hit the corner of the seat, and I guess it pinched a nerve or caused some damage that if I lift heavy, then flares up.
So he's kind of giving us some general idea of history of what happened. So basically, he came off the chair. We're big dudes in here. Guy recording, strong dude. He's a big guy. We're coming up off the chair, landing straight on a corner of a seat, straight on the small of the back. So what can happen? We could have had a spinal fracture, okay? Whether it's going to be to the body of a vertebra, to a transverse process, any part of the vertebra that could have been fractured, number one. Number two, what could have happened? We could have a traumatic soft tissue injury. So these types of injuries, bone fractures, soft tissue injuries, when they heal, they develop scars, right? Scar tissue. Now, scar tissue is going to limit mobility segmentally. So now you're down there, you have a scar tissue. It's kind of like if you have a scar here on your arm, let's say that's really deep, you can't fully extend your arm. So inside the spine, we can't get full motion generally on its own. So we have some scar tissue development in there. Overall, what chiropractic is going to do for him in general, we're going to get in there, we're going to manipulate the spine, we're going to continue having motion, stimulate some segmental lymphatic drainage, segmental mobility to reduce his pain. He's had chiropractic care before. When he does go in his episodes where he has a flare-up, immediately upon chiropractic manipulation, chiropractic adjustment, he'll notice a decrease in symptoms and pain. So what we're going to do today is we're going to set up for a chiropractic adjustment. We've already kind of evaluated the low back, checked some upper extremity strength. We did notice that there's some pain and some lack of motion, range of motion in the lumbar spine. And now we're going to assess and palpate the neck to find some restriction in the neck, as we have already done so as well. So you can set up right over here for adjustment. All right, so what you're going to do is I want you to just scoot a tad forward on the chair there. Lean back right here for me and relax your upper body right in here, okay? So relax right in here. So he's been adjusted before. This will be the first time I'm adjusting him. So earlier when we palpated, we felt a little bit of restricted motion in here. We did some chiropractic orthopedic exams. We found some issue in the spine here, so we're just providing some chiropractic manipulation there. Okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay, very good. Let's have you lay face down right here on the table. All right. So we noted we had a lot more mobility and audible on the area of restriction during your exams, right, Luke?
Yep.
All right. Very good. Now, again, one thing that I'm noticing, we have very hypertonic muscles right in here. So I know we need some general chiropractic manipulation movement right in this segment here. Down here is not as tight. However, we did discover upon palpation examination earlier that these things right here, as I'm pressing down here, the muscles along the spine are causing them pain and tenderness right there, right? So it would make sense if we have some sort of instability here that this area would tighten up to try to relax or to try to stabilize the instability down in the lumbar spine. Okay. So I'm going to adjust first right through this area here. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Good motion? All right. Very good. All right. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Relax right here for me. Very good. Very good. I want you to lay on your side facing this way for me.
Facing which way?
Facing right over here. All right, very good. Let's come right over here. Top leg bent for me. Bottom leg straight. Give me this arm right in here. And this is kind of the same adjustment procedure you had before, correct? Yep. Relax the body for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. I want you to lay facing the opposite way for me. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight here for me. Excellent. Get right over here, right in here. Take a deep breath, completely exhale. Very good. All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.